Hi lovely people, and welcome back to my tutorial for today. I sincerely appreciate you guys a lot for all your support, and thank you very much for stopping by. Please watch the video to the end, and please, if you're yet to subscribe, kindly do so by hitting on that red icon to subscribe, and also touch the notification bell. Select all to be the first to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And please, if this tutorial is helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and any further question, do that in the comment section. So in today's tutorial, we shall be looking at how to do a crunchy headband. I'll be using this half yard of doll face satin for it. So the first measurement I take here is for the ruffleness, or for the crunch band. So here I'm making use of 54 inches for the length, then 7 inches for the width. So this is the bigger part of it. So the second one is where we'll be inserting our elastic band. So this is 15 inches for the length and 3 inches for the width. Okay, the third one is the one that we'll be inserting inside to make the ruffle net. So this is 14 inches for the length, and for the width is 2.5 inches. So for the elastic, we'll be using 6 inches to our elastic. I'll just cut out. So I'll just quickly go to my machine now and do the stitching. I'll just turn this doll face to the wrong side. I'll just stitch from this edge. I'm not stitching here. From this edge here, just use half an inch to stitch it up from this edge to this other edge. Note, I'm not stitching this side and this part. I'll do the same thing to this too. I'll just turn over and use the wrong face to stitch it up. I'm not stitching these two edges, these small edges here. I'll just stitch straight from this head to this head. The same thing is applicable to these two. So I'll just quickly go to my machine now and do the stitching. I've finished stitching up the 3 of the pieces. So the next thing to do now is to turn it inside out this way. So I'll do the same thing to the 3 of them. Okay, now as you can see, I've finished turning them out, and I've also ironed it up. So when ironing, make sure that the sewed part will be at the center this way. So I'll just use my pin, place it to this place, then insert it here. I just pull it out from this other part. So after fixing my elastic inside, I have this. So I'll just use my pin to hold this point here. Then I'll also use my pin to hold this edge too. this way. So I'll go to my machine now and stitch up this edge and this edge this way. Then coming to this bigger part, I'll use this my pin again to hold here at one edge of the smaller one. Then I'll put it inside here, then I'll pull it out. So reaching here, like this, I'll use my pin to hold it. I'll use my pin to hold those two edges. To hold it this way, so when I'm pushing it out, I won't also be dragging this part. So here, this is what I have. So I also go to the machine now and stitch up this edge and this edge. Okay, I've stitched up the two edges. So what I will do next now is to take this part here that is closed, this part that I stitched up, I'll place it this way. I'll just shift here, this ruffles, I'll just shift it inside so that the thickness won't be that much for my machine. So I'll just shift it inside this way, then place it here. Hope you're seeing what I'm doing. I'll place it at the middle this way, then I'll close it like this and close here this way. So I'll go to my machine and stitch up this part. So I'll do the same thing, holding it this way again. I'll adjust here, place it here, then I'll close it up this way and close it up this way, then I'll stitch here. So here I've stitched it up. I'll just use my scissors and trim out this excesses here. So I'll just turn it out this way. And I'll turn this part out this way. So this is what we have. As you can see, that is very simple and easy to do. Very simple, as easy as ABC. Thank you for watching till the end. Till we meet in my next class, and please, if this video is helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. Love you all. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.